to use adjective in sentence. Sentence के बमूंगा adjective इस्तेमाल हो चढ़ता के. So we have two types. सही है? One is called attributive adjective. One is called predicative. First of all, tell me, do you know predicate? Predicate page है? हाँ. What is a predicate? जी. पुख्तो करा तो है खैर. Very good. Predicate means the subject na ilawa च the sentence kam हिस्सा दा, kam part दे. We call it adjective. I'm sorry, predicate. सही ना? Predicate means part of sentence other than subject. The subject na ilawa subject पर start के चीज़ों से रकम noun pronoun या noun phrase राशि दागे ना ilawa च the sentence कम part थे आगे तम मुझसे वायु आगे तम predicate वायु. ठीक है? उस हम मुझसे दो किस्म adjective रागे. One is attributive, one is predicative. Remember, attributive is the one when we use adjective with the subject. The subject सर जी मुंग कम adjective इस्तेमाल को आगे तम मुझसे वायु आगे तम मुंग attributive वायु. Like for example, a young boy is walking. Okay, a young boy is walking. Now da zama sara predicate the or the subject the. Okay, you can see the adjective come the a young boy da ma tara the age pabarak information rakhi da ma the verb na mak ke the subject sara istemal ko. This type of adjective is called attributive adjective. Deta bamunga sawayu attributive. Haga adjective chaga the subject sara istemal shi the verb na pehla. No mung deta ba attributive adjective वायु नो मुंग सरा यो information दारा के adjective बमुंगा यो place चेकम पर sentence के दागा जगह दे आगा दारी चागा बमुंग the subject ना मख के इस्तेमालो. Clear दे? Predicative, when we have an adjective after a be verb. Be verb means state verb is mr वगैरह चेकम दी. Like for example जो है मा Ali is intelligent. Now दा जमा सरा predicate थे दा subject थे. The subject na akhwa che kam part of sentence da zamu sara predicate. And you can see che intelligent kam adjective di da madara ali pa barak information rakida the verb na rusta pa predicate kara gali de. No, that is what we call predicative adjective. De tamunga predicative adjective vayu. Zyadtar da is mr was were da dina pas che kam istemali ge adjectives de tamunga predicative adjectives vayu. Sahi na? Aw che the noun sara pehla the subject fa khwa ke che kam adjective istemal chi we call it attributive adjective. Clear दे? No, that was the unit दी बदी कि मुंगा adjective पर sentence के normally इस्तेमाल हो लिशु. Clear दे? Write it. Sufyan. If I say Sufyan is a tall boy, if I say he is tall, okay? जिस तरफ the height पर बारे के खबर रखूँगा चे दे tall दे. But if I ask, suppose, Sir Farman, sir please. I say, Farman is taller than Sufyan. So it means I am comparing two persons. Zara dwo kasanu comparison mawazina kum. Che the height daga na kam de ya daga height the dina sewa de. No, but first example ke ma sirf the yo kas pabara ka khabar ka wala che he is a tall boy. And in the second example, I am comparing the height of two persons. Now I am using another type of adjective. Sahi na? Yes, brother. Your name is Muhammad Akmal. I say Akmal is the tallest boy in the class. Now I have another category che aga patul class ke da toluna lord de ya dang de. Okay? So I am comparing Akmal with the rest of entire class. The pura class raza ka compare koma. Thank you, please. If I say Peshawar is a big city, I'm talking about one city. And then I say Lahore is bigger than Peshawar. I'm comparing two cities. And then I say no, Karachi is the biggest city in Pakistan. So I'm comparing Karachi with the rest of all cities in Pakistan. So much cities in Pakistan ke age sarama Karachi compare karachi patolo ke lwe khar chedin waga Karachi. So we have degrees of adjective. So we have actually 3 degrees. Zamu sara 3 degrees. That will be only here. First is positive. Now what is positive degree? Degree of adjective that gives us information about one noun or pronoun. Yeah, the one person, place or thing. تاسو ویلی شي چې هغه degree of adjective چې هغه موږ ته د یو کس د یو څیز یا د یو ځای په باره کې انفارمیشن راکوي یا د یو ناون یو پروناون په باره کې انفارمیشن راکوي. فور ایگزامپل I said Sufyan is tall. Now tall ले मात्र सिर्फ د Sufyan په باره کې انفارمیشن راکوي. Then we have comparative degree. The degree of adjective that is used to compare two person, places or things. چې هغه د دوو کسانو د دوو ځایونو یا د دوو څیزونو د کمپیر کولو دپاره د موازنې دپاره موږ استعمالو هغه ډیګري د موږ comparative. Like as I said that Farman is taller than Sufyan. Now I compared two persons, two places or two things. صحیح ده؟ اکمل خوشحاله دی چې زه په ټولو کې دنګ یم. Next we have superlative. The degree of adjective that compares one person, place or thing with the rest of all. د باقي ټول چې څونه موجود وي یا دغه وي د هغې سره هغه کمپیر کړي هغه ډیګري ته موږ څه وایو superlative degree. For example, I said Akmal is the tallest boy in the class. So I compared Akmal, yeah, his height with the rest of all students in the class. So here, now that is how we have 3 degrees of adjective: positive, comparative and superlative. Clear? Yes, sir. You may write it.